Take a ride in the 2020 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, rear step bumper, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, wireless charging station, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.